Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. To know more about the giveaway, please hit the description box below. So today's look is a very frosty blue kind of a glittery look. I'm using my Lakme Blur Perfecting Primer and I'm applying it to the regular places where I apply. After that, I'm mixing two of my favorite foundations which I know will stay no matter what will happen, like the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Pro Matte Foundation and the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. Then again, I'm spritzing on that setting spray so that the foundation sets in and blends seamlessly. For concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and I am applying it to under her eyes, on the bridge of her nose, a little bit to the forehead and to the chin. It has a very nice coverage and it will surely conceal the dark circles. Okay, next for setting the face, I'm using just a regular setting powder like from Oriflame. Then I'm again spritzing the spray and this is the last time I will spray it, and what this will do is this will melt both the foundation and the powder together to create a nice even base. Okay, now I'm just doing her eyebrows using my Pack Matte eyeshadow palette. I'm just setting her eyebrows with a dried off mascara because I broke my eyebrow setting gel from NYX. This will do the same trick, guys. First, I'm taking a very cool tone brown color and I'm applying it across her eyelid for a very nice and smooth transition shade. After that, I'm taking a little more reddish brown color and I'm applying it to her crease just to create a dimension. After that, I'm taking the black shade from my Pack eyeshadow palette and I'm applying it to the outer V of her eyes. Okay, I am using a foundation just to create a half cut crease effect on her. Okay, after that, I'm taking this frosty blue color from my Maybelline Diamond Glow palette. And then taking that black shade, I'm just darkening up and blending both the colors together. Okay, lastly, I'm taking the Miss Claire Pearl eyeliner in the shade Gold Glitter and I'm just applying it to her crease. And after that, I'm defining her eyes using a eyeliner pen. Okay, next from my Makeup Revolution Iconic Lights and Contour palette, I am very lightly warming up her face, and then using my Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette, I'm taking that bubble gum pink color for her blush. I'm using my Golden Kiss highlighter, Skin Kiss highlighter pan from Makeup Revolution, and I'm applying it to the high points of her cheeks and her brow bone and to her nose as well. Okay, for lipstick, I'm using this nude shade of her. I will list down the name of the lipstick in the description box. So guys, this is the final look and I hope you have liked it. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel.